Everybody, Miss Figgy back here to explain week 1, day 1 of your packet work. So I'm going to be going over this wordy packet, the reading packet 1 and the reading packet 2. So for now on, I'm going to be referring the bar packet, or the one that you do with your teacher, whether it's Miss Valerian, Miss Kears, Miss Renton, or I, reading packet 1. So I'm going to label it right now, reading P1, reading P1, reading packet 1, and then the SIPS packet, what you do with your tutor, reading packet 2, reading P2, okay? So 1, 2. Let's start with the worksheet packet. So, like I said in my previous video, each of the pages are labeled week 1, day 1. That one's a little cut off because of the staple. But this is the first page, so let's go over. The instructions say, read the word, find the picture. Okay? So, read the word, find the picture. So what we do is we sound out. The S says S, A, M, Sam, Sam. Then we got to go down and find who is Sam. So this page I already did for you. This is Sam, and I circled the big S because I wanted to point out to you that this is a name. So we need to capitalize or make it big, the S. Sam. It looks backwards on the screen because of the way the camera flips things, but please write it correctly as you see on your paper. Let's do the next one. Nan. Okay? So, these are characters from a story from our bar books, but some of you may not have gotten to the story. Nan. So this is Nan. I also circled here so that you can understand you need to capitalize for the names. Nan. Okay? Next one. Man. Man. Okay? This is the man from the story. I did not circle here, did not capitalize because his name is not man. He is a man. So we put n. We copy the word above, man. And the last one, mat. Okay? So I found the mat and I write mat. Okay? We're looking for clear writing and that you are capitalizing the names on this page, okay? So this is what it should look like in the end. Feel free to pause if you need to pause to check your work. Okay, week 1, day 1, the next page. This one right here has a bunch of letters, pictures. We're gonna go over this. So the instructions say sound right. Okay, we can do that. So I only did the first one for you so that you understand how to do this. Say, mat. This is a mat. Now we got to sound it out. Break it up. Mat. So the first sound, next letter, and last one, at. So you circle the letters that create the word mat. And then you write it, at mat. For example, the second one, let's sound this one out. Sam. Sam. This is Sam, okay? So, what is the first sounds? Let's break up the word Sam. Sam. First sound. I circle the S. I circle the A. I circle the M, Sam. Then I write S-A-M, Sam. And you do that for the rest of the words, okay? So I'm going to do it really close so that you can see and pause the video if you need to. Okay? On to our math. Yay! Okay. So, the math is a little tricky. It says count the objects, circle the total number of objects. So remember, total means all of it. So you need to know how many do you have. then color what it asks you to do, okay? So this one, I did do most of it. So this one says color one circle. So I colored one circle. And remember, it says count the total objects. So that means all of it. So that's what I did here. 1, 2, 3. So even though I colored one, there's 3 circles. So I circle 3. This one says color 3 stars. So I colored 1, 2, 3 stars. Now remember, we have to count all of it to see how many stars we have. So I labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So I circled the 4. This one says color 2 circles. So I colored 2, 1, 2. But remember, we're counting all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I circled the 4. You do the same for these two. Let's check the bottom. The bottom is a little different. It says draw 2 circles and color them. Count all the objects and circle the number. Okay? So first thing it says, draw 2 circles. I did that. 1, 2. Now color them. Color, color. Now I need to count all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we do count the ones that we drew. 5 circles. Okay? Feel free to pause if you need this. I know it is backwards, but that's what we have. Okay, and then the last page for math. It says count how many, draw a box around that number, then circle a group of 3 dots in each box. Okay, that is a lot of things. So step 1, we circle 3 dots. Okay? Step 2, count how many dots you have overall. So, number 1. 1, 2, 3. I circle 3. And then I count how many I have. 1, 2, 3. I have 3. So I circled 3. Step 1, circle 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I circled 3 dots. Step 2, count how many you have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I circle 4. Next one, circle 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. I circle. And you can see on the next ones that I also circle 3 on the next ones because that's the first thing that you do. 3. And then you need to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I circled the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I circled the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I circled the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I circled the 4. So remember, you circle 3 dots, and then you count how many dots do you have all together. That's what total means, all together. Okay? And that's what it looks like. And that is your packet work for day 1, week 1. Yay! Say good job, me. You did it.